Hello and welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries, and today I'm sharing a comforting and authentic Bengali style fish recipe, and it's steamed pabda fish with mustard and poppy seeds. This recipe is light, flavorful and packed with the rich aroma of freshly ground mustard, creamy pesto, green chilies and mustard oil, and the soft delicate pabda fish absorbs all those beautiful flavors while steaming, making every bite incredibly delicious. So let's get started with this amazing fish recipe, which is best to enjoy with hot steamed rice. And here I've taken 4 medium-sized pabda fish, and I've made slits or gashes on both the sides so that the seasonings and the flavors of mustard and poppy seeds sauce is well absorbed. And now I'm going to season them with some salt as per taste and some lime juice. Let's rub the salt and lime juice well over the fish pieces. We'll now flip the fish pieces and repeat the process of adding salt and lime juice on this side as well. So this is the first marination, which is going to make the fish soft and flavorful when we steam them. Alright, this is done, and now we'll let the fish rest for about 10-15 minutes. Next, here in these bowls I have taken 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds or posto dana, and I have soaked them in hot water for about an hour. And now we need to discard some of the water and then transfer into a mixer jar. Along with this goes 1 inch of ginger cut into smaller portion, 1 green chili split into half, and a little bit of salt, which will help the seeds to grind into a smooth paste and control the bitter taste of the mustard seeds. Let's check this now. And a smooth and creamy mustard and poppy seed paste is ready, which will be the base of our fish recipe. Next, we'll take a container where we'll steam the fish pieces, and in it we will arrange the pabda fish pieces seasoned with salt and lime juice. Now let's add the mustard and poppy seed paste. Also into this I'm going to add some thinly sliced onions. Then goes some mustard oil, say around less than 1 tablespoon. Next goes some water from the mixer jar to adjust the consistency, as well as some salt. I'm adding salt less now as I had seasoned the fish with salt earlier. Now let's mix all the ingredients well and gently massage the fish pieces with the mustard seeds and poppy seeds paste. Finally, I'm going to add some split green chilies on top, and now time to steam them. For that we need to heat some water in a large karahi or vessel, and as the water starts to simmer, I'll add a steel stand, and on top we'll place the container with the pabda fish. Make sure to close the container with a tight lid so that water cannot enter inside. And now let's cover the karahi with a lid, and we need to steam the fish on low to medium flame for about 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now and our pabda fish is steamed well. So I will turn off the flame and allow this to cool down slightly before taking the container out. And our delicious steamed pabda fish with mustard and poppy seeds is ready. I'll drizzle a teaspoon of mustard oil on top, along with some slit green and red chilies. Well friends, this fish turns out soft, juicy and beautifully infused with the sharpness of mustard and a creamy texture of pesto. And this fish recipe is best enjoyed with some hot steamed rice for the ultimate comforting meal. So friends, if you enjoyed this amazing fish recipe, then don't forget to like and follow my channel for more easy and flavorful homemade recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.